guys, sorry that video was so corrupted, but is where I'm starting off with this panel. Yeah, I'll show you the inside again. Here it is, on-off switch. Yeah. Either way, drill 1, 2, 3 lettering, ABC, and March time, and then everything else. New fire alarm 8 system, Nat Dog, Nathaniel's Awesome Gaming Channel, headphones. These two have mics. I lost that one. I actually 12, and then my simplex NVG10 key. Because I actually put marker on it, lettering. Bottle cap opener. Tom the cat. Yes, I used to love that show, and I can also show my shirt. Simplex back box. If this video glitches again, I'm gonna be so mad. TNT block, charger, Aquaman, the muffin time, and a marker. This stuff, 3DS, DS, iPad, DVD player, all this stuff. Yeah, you can see you can see that simplex back there, all the smoke alarms, back box. And yeah, bye guys. If this video glitches, I'm sorry guys.